Welcome to the world of travel tech, where cool gadgets make every trip smoother, safer, and way more fun. Let's start with smart luggage. Some suitcases now come with built-in scales so you never overpack, and even secret power banks to keep your devices charged. That's one less thing to worry about at the airport. Next up, portable power banks. Grab one with fast charging or solar charging if you're off the grid. No more dead phones in the middle of nowhere. Need internet while you travel? Pocket Wi-Fi devices and global SIM cards keep you connected wherever you go. Perfect for Google Maps, translations, or just uploading that perfect travel photo. Want to capture your adventures? Action cameras, drones, and compact travel cameras make it easy to shoot high-quality photos and videos on the move. Lost in a new city? GPS trackers help you navigate unknown places and can even help you find lost items. Super handy and safe. Don't speak the local language? Real-time translation apps and earpieces help you talk to locals instantly. It's like having your own travel interpreter. Comfort matters too. Try travel pillows with massage functions, sleep trackers, or noise-cancelling headphones to relax even on long flights. When choosing travel tech, pick what fits your needs. Think about size, price, and how often you'll use it. And don't forget helpful apps like offline maps, language learners, and trip planners. What's next in travel tech? Get ready for AI-powered travel guides, virtual reality tours, and smart wearables that give you travel tips on the go. Even better, many new gadgets are eco-friendly, helping you travel smart and sustainably. So whether you're a backpacker or a luxury explorer, travel tech is your new best friend. Try it out and make every journey easier, safer, and unforgettable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips.